Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of woodworking and discover the coolest tools and equipment to take your craft to the next level. Today, we're diving into 16 must-have woodworking tools and equipment that will revolutionize the way you work with wood. From precision cutting to seamless finishing, these tools are essential for any woodworking enthusiast or professional. So, let's jump right in. Number 1. The Works 20-volt cordless sliding miter saw is a high-performance tool engineered to exceed expectations. As part of the Works Nitro Tools lineup, it offers superior power, performance, and runtime. Its built-in work holding clamp ensures stability and precision during cuts, while the compatibility with Works PowerShare Pro batteries, like the Western Australia 3012 4.0Ah and Western Australia 3571 5.0Ah, ensures optimal performance. With a professional cutting capacity of up to 8¼ inches, it handles various lumber types with ease. The light-assisted shadow line feature enhances cutting accuracy, while the adjustable knob allows for bevel cuts up to 45 degrees. Additionally, the depth adjustment feature enables users to customize cutting depths for dado slots or specific requirements. Overall, the Works 20-volt cordless sliding miter saw delivers power, precision, and versatility, making it an indispensable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts in their woodworking endeavors. Number 2. The Mech heavy-duty 11-inch saw is your reliable sawing partner, designed for versatility and durability. Ideal for daily basic sawing work, it enables quick and multi-directional cutting of wood, boards, plastic pipe, PVC, tree branches, and more materials. With extra plastic protection on the teeth and a hard paper sleeve around the blade, it ensures safe storage and carrying. Featuring 11 positions and a quick-release blade mechanism, this saw facilitates fast blade replacement or adjustment for optimal cutting direction, even in narrow spaces. Its plus or minus 70-degree adjustable cutting angle provides versatility for various cutting tasks. The double-cut razor teeth ensure sharp, quick, and smooth cuts with minimal friction. The 11-inch heat-treated 65mm steel blade reduces power-consuming side vibrations, resulting in precise, smoother, and straighter cuts. Its induction-hardened treatment prolongs sharpness up to 5 times longer than standard teeth, with a rust-proof surface for added durability. Ergonomically designed with an aluminum die-cast grip and anti-slip TPR-wrapped handle, it offers comfort and control for users of all hand sizes. The Mech heavy-duty 11-inch saw is a versatile and efficient tool for woodworking tasks of all kinds. Number 3. The Eline Knal cordless brad nailer offers unparalleled convenience and efficiency for your nailing tasks. Say goodbye to compressors, hoses, or costly gas cartridges. This nail gun is powered exclusively by batteries, providing the flexibility to work anywhere and driving up to 1,300 nails per charge. This efficiency bundle includes two 20-volt maximum 2.0Ah lithium-ion batteries that you can alternate between, along with a charger and 1018-gauge nails. With everything you need at hand, maximizing productivity is hassle-free. The nailer features both sequential and contact modes to cater to various nailing needs, ensuring exceptional results whether you require speedy performance or exacting precision. The depth adjustment knob further enhances performance on different materials. Safety is a top priority with this nail gun, as nails can only be fired when the contact trip is fully depressed, providing confidence and security in your work. The dry fire lockout feature prevents unnecessary marks on the work material, and the built-in LED light ensures precise nailing even in low-light conditions. Additionally, the adjustable belt hook caters to user preferences for left or right attachment, making it user-friendly and adaptable to your needs. Number 4. The drum sander for woodworking features a powerful 4.5-amp motor, making it suitable for a wide range of applications and enhancing working efficiency. Its side cover can be quickly loaded and unloaded, providing convenience when changing sandpaper or replacing the working wheel. The sander also includes an adjustable frontal handle, allowing users to quickly find a comfortable angle for operation, thus improving convenience. A dust hood for dust collection enables use with a vacuum, ensuring a clean working space. With 6 variable speeds, The sander accommodates different materials and tasks. Additionally, the package includes a variety of working wheels and 6 sandpapers, facilitating various surface treatment works such as wire drawing, rust removal, texture cleaning, and chip removal. Overall, the drum sander for woodworking offers versatility, convenience, and efficiency for woodworking projects of all kinds. Number 5. The Works WX572L 5.5 amp Blade Runner Portable Electric Tabletop Saw is a versatile tool suitable for a range of cutting tasks. Its steel rip fence and riving knife system enable precise straight and wide cuts, ideal for both cross and rip cuts. Weighing less than 15 pounds, it's easily portable for workshop or job site use. The adjustable miter gauge allows for 0 to 60-degree miter cuts from both sides, enhancing versatility. Safety features include a safety switch and key to prevent accidental starts. Works tools are engineered with advanced technology for efficiency and longevity. Onboard storage keeps accessories organized and within reach. With its combination of portability, versatility, and safety, the Works Blade Runner Tabletop Saw is a valuable addition to any woodworking setup. Number 6. The Batoka 12V Max Cordless Palm Edge Router Tool is designed for light tasks, offering exceptional compactness and lightness for comfortable use. Its lightweight design allows for easy handling, making it ideal for edge trimming tasks. Equipped with a powerful motor and 2 batteries, this cordless router ensures a convenient and hassle-free work process for edge routing. The stable brushless motor delivers efficient power, with a maximum speed of 19,500 RPM, making it suitable for a variety of woodworking projects. The ergonomic design of this wood trimmer includes a transparent router base that provides unobstructed visibility while working. Additionally, the anti-slip rubber design enhances grip and comfort during use. Overall, the Batoka 12V Max Cordless Palm Edge Router Tool offers convenience, efficiency, and comfort for a range of woodworking tasks. Number 7. Experience clean and precise trimming with adjustable edge banding trimmer, featuring a high-speed steel blade for efficient cutting of PVC, ABS, melamine, and veneer. The brass nut allows for precise tilt adjustments, enhancing woodworking projects with accuracy. Crafted with a durable aluminum alloy body and an anodized surface, this trimmer is built to last. The high-carbon steel scraper resists rust, ensuring sharpness and reliable performance over time. Tailor your trimming with ease using this adjustable blade depth and angle features. The knurled thumb nut allows for effortless depth adjustment, while the incline reverse cutting edge design ensures versatility for various material thicknesses. Ergonomic and portable, this edge banding trimmer boasts a comfortable grip and easy operation. Equipped with a buckle for secure transport, its compact design makes it a must-have addition to your on-the-go woodworking toolkit. Number 8. The 2-in-1 Drilling Positioning Ruler offers enhanced precision and efficiency for drilling, nailing, and marking tasks. With 6 sets of adjustable positioning blocks, it enables quick and accurate hole alignment, improving work efficiency significantly. Equipped with an auxiliary dual-axis bubble level, this ruler ensures precise leveling and plumbness, facilitating accurate drilling and installation even on uneven surfaces. Featuring an ABS knob for multifunction adjustment, the ruler allows for length and angle adjustments, providing greater flexibility for measuring sizes and angles to meet various job requirements. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, the ruler boasts clear scales and UV-printed markings for durability and readability. Wear-resistant printing prevents fading, ensuring measurement accuracy over extended periods of use. Versatile and multifunctional, the 2-in-1 drilling locating ruler can be utilized for various purposes beyond drilling, making it an essential tool for woodworking and DIY projects of all kinds. Number 9. The CARMAN router plane is a handheld woodworking tool designed for precision and versatility. Crafted with a durable stainless steel body, it ensures reliability and longevity in use. With a body size of 7.87 inches in length and 2.56 inches in width, the router plane provides ample stability and control during operation. The iron size measures 0.31 inches, allowing for precise and smooth cutting. Featuring an easily adjustable blade with a screw mechanism, users can fine-tune the depth of cut according to their specific woodworking requirements. Additionally, the router plane comes with a fence included, enhancing accuracy and control during routing tasks. Whether you're working on intricate joinery or smoothing out surfaces, the CARMAN router plane offers exceptional performance and ease of use for a wide range of woodworking projects. Number 10. The Preschool Chisel Set for wood comes with everything you need for woodworking tasks, including 6 high-quality firmer chisels in sizes 6mm, 12mm, 18mm, 24mm, 32mm, and 38mm. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this set is ideal for various woodworking projects. The chisels come ready sharpened, so you can start working straight away without the need for additional preparation. With ergonomic handles and high-quality steel construction, these chisels are both extremely sharp and sturdy, ensuring precise and efficient cutting. Each chisel in the set has a precise cutting edge ground to 25 degrees, the optimal angle for carving or chiseling work, enhancing accuracy and efficiency. Additionally, the chisels feature a metal impact cap that protects the handle when working with a wooden hammer, making them perfect for carpentry and joinery tasks. Number 11. The Evolution Power Tools R11 VAC. The cordless vacuum cleaner is a versatile and powerful tool designed for both wet and dry cleaning tasks. With a high-performance suction of 21.2 liters per surface, it effectively extracts sawdust and debris in workshops, woodworking areas, and more. This vacuum cleaner features a bagless design, allowing for easy disposal of collected debris. It comes with a 2-year limited warranty, ensuring reliability and peace of mind for users. Equipped with a dual air function, users can choose between vacuuming or using the blower function as needed. The vacuum has a large capacity, with an 11-liter dry bin and a 5-liter wet capacity, suitable for cleaning up all kinds of spills. Portable and lightweight, this vacuum cleaner is easy to transport around job sites or to use for car cleaning. It comes with a range of accessories including a cartridge filter, foam filter, 3 nozzles, extension wands, and a 1.8-meter extending hose. The vacuum cleaner comes loaded with a battery and charger, providing convenience and immediate use out of the box. Number 12. The Dreu Squeaky Floor Repair Kit effectively eliminates creaking noises in floors by securely connecting them to the joists with nails. Suitable for carpets, vinyl floors, or hardwood floors, this kit includes all necessary accessories for floor repair. The kit comprises an alignment and depth control fixture, a snap fixture, a driver bit, 2 joist finding tools, and 50 scored screws, eliminating the need for additional purchases. A detailed instruction manual guides users through the simple usage process. First, use the joist finding tool to locate the floor joist. Then, utilize the alignment and depth control fixture to drive nails into the floor and joist, securing them together. Finally, use the tool to twist off any excess parts of the scored screws. Crafted with strong corrosion-resistant materials, the kit withstands humid environments and resists rust. Its clear threads ensure a strong bite force and minimal bending. Simple and convenient installation means users can easily tackle floor creaks without the need for professional help. With the Dreu Squeaky Floor Repair Kit, you can effortlessly solve the problem of creaking wooden boards on your own. Number 13. The Gomake Thin Rip Jig is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed for making repetitive narrow strip cuts in woodworking projects. With its easy-to-use design, simply slide the guide into the T-track miter slot of your table saw and lock it in front of the saw blade. It fits T-slots of various sizes, including 3/8 inch by 3/4 inch, U-shape slot, and a 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch. This accessory ensures consistent and precise thin strip cuts. Safety is prioritized with the one-way roller bearing that prevents kickback, allowing for safe and fast repetitive cutting. The jig features precise adjustment capabilities with laser engraved scales in both millimeters and inches, along with a zero clearance design for accurate distance setting. High-quality metal construction ensures durability and longevity, capable of cutting strips as thin as 1/32 inch. Compatible with standard bandsaws, table saws, and routers, the Gomake thin rip jig offers a wide range of applications, with an extended range from 2 5/8 inches to 8 inches. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, this jig is a valuable addition to your workshop for precise and efficient strip cutting. Number 14. The honing guide for woodworking offers versatility and precision in sharpening chisels and planer blades. Adjust the distance between the top of the chisel and the honing guide to achieve standard sharpening angles, with an off-center roller design for improved performance with shorter planer blades. Featuring a new angle fixing tool, this honing guide ensures uniform sharpening across the entire edge of the tool. It is compatible with chisels and planer blades ranging from 0.2 to 2.55 inches in width, secured by a metal stud to prevent accidental detachment. Equipped with a wide roller at the bottom, the guide allows for easy and stable sharpening motion. The widened bearings provide greater stability, ensuring rigorous and smooth sharpening without worrying about tipping the jig during use. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, the honing guide is wear-resistant and anti-corrosive, guaranteeing long-lasting performance. It will not rust even after years of use, making it a reliable tool for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 15. The Myle CA Glue with Activator offers a simple and powerful solution for bonding projects. With easy application, just apply 2 to 3 drops of CA glue per square inch on one surface and spray the activator on the other. Wait 10 seconds and bond the pieces together in 5 to 12 seconds. This professional adhesive ensures clean and professional results for both industrial and personal projects. Its quick cure time means your project will be ready in seconds, with the activator reducing cure time to 5 to 12 seconds. The aerosol superglue accelerator provides a fine mist for easy control, while the viscous liquid of the glue ensures a clean application. Compatible with multiple materials including wood, glass, stone, and metal, this cyanoacrylate accelerator is versatile. However, avoid using it on non-stick surfaces and polyethylene products. Number 16. The MicroJig GRP Block is a smart push block designed for use with router tables, joiners, and bandsaws. Featuring auto-retracting heel technology, it securely grips the tail end of your board for enhanced control and safety during cutting. Equipped with the proprietary green GRP material, this push block provides extreme hold, minimizing the risk of kickback and ensuring a stable workpiece feed. With a 90-degree flip guide, the GRP block allows for vertical footing on bandsaws and router tables, facilitating versatile and precise cutting operations. Its ergonomic handle enables users to exert directional pressure against the fence, further enhancing control and accuracy while reducing the risk of accidents. For added protection against chip debris, optional mounts are available for the deflector and connector shield plate, ensuring a cleaner and safer working environment.